Today in the kitchen, we're going Middle Eastern street food vibes with Kofta flatbreads. We're making the flatbreads from scratch, and honestly, this is one of those recipes that feels really impressive, but it's ridiculously simple. Flour, baking powder, pinch of salt. That's your base. I'll add a few extras to mine. Some dried mint, pinch of cumin, and some garlic granules. Now add in a little bit of olive oil, then warm water slowly until it comes together. It'll look a bit messy at first, that's completely normal. Tip it onto a surface and knead it for a couple of minutes until smooth. That's it. No yeast, no proving, no waiting around. Cover it and let it rest for 10 minutes. That's just to relax the dough so it rolls out easily. Okay, let's get the prep sorted. I'm going to start by chopping up a small onion, then I'm going to mince it up as fine as I can. Next I'm going to chop up some red onion. These can be fine slices. This will be a garnish for the top. And finally, I'm going to mince one garlic clove. Now into the bowl with 125 grams of that buffalo mince. Onions, garlic, cumin, coriander, smoked paprika, dried mint, tiny pinch of cinnamon. That's the secret layer. And a bit of flour because buffalo's lean. We want it to bind properly. Now get stuck in with your hands. Mix it gently. Don't mash it. Shape it into two tight logs. Yeah, I know what you're all thinking. Comment down below. Now get your dough, cut it in half. Roll it thin, not thick like a naan bread, more like a soft wrap. Time to turn up the heat. Griddle pan on high, properly hot. Little oil, lay them down and leave them alone. Let the crust build. That's flavour. Flip them once you've got those dark lines. Look at that colour. That's what you want. Give those a couple of minutes on each side, and then we're going to warm the flatbreads straight in the pan. Soak up a bit of that flavour. Pan on a medium heat, no oil needed. Lay it in, press it down flat. Leave it for a minute. Flip it once till you see the golden spots. And that is how easy homemade flatbread actually is. These only take a few minutes. Now it's time to build it up. Yogurt first. Kofta on. Red onion, coriander, and a squeeze of lime. Juicy on the inside, charred on the outside. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, don't forget to do all that good stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.